Alright ladies, today we're reviewing the Viking Cycle Ironborn textile jacket. This jacket's currently on motorcyclehouse.com, sitting at a price point of $69.99, on sale from $109.95. I have to say, when I looked at this jacket to begin with, I was a little bit leery just because of the price point. You don't really see good quality jackets at a low price point like that. But after opening it, getting it out, trying it on, looking at it, I was wrong. It's a good jacket, well-made jacket. The ventilation system on this jacket is outstanding. You have ventilation system here in the chest area. You've got pockets like crazy. You've got your two front pockets here. You've got your clip in the front pocket. Lock your keys in case you forget to zip that pocket up. Over here on the sleeve, you've got the adjustable sleeve. You got a thin shirt on, you can pull it tighter. You got a thick sweater on, you loosen that thing up. Like I said, pockets galore. You've got a pocket here. Nice smooth zippers all over the jacket. They're reinforced as well, which is always a good thing. Now let's look at the inside of the jacket. You've got a removable liner, easy zip out, and you don't lose your pockets. You take that liner out, good spring and summer jacket for protection. You've got this huge pocket here on the inside. If you can't put everything you need to carry on a motorcycle inside that pocket, something's wrong, ladies. You've got your pockets here. You've got a small pocket here, here. You've got a headphone system. You put your headphones in, you don't have to worry about those of us that still use corded headphones. You don't have to worry about that cord flapping, falling out from underneath the jacket. You lock those cords in, run them through, you're good to go. Look at the back of the jacket. They really took into consideration the way our bodies are all different. You've got your adjustments here in the back. You lose a little weight this month, you tighten these things up. You've got a snugger fit. Hey, you feeling a little big? Loosen them out. You've got your full-size jacket. Also, when we're riding, especially on a sport bike, and you've got that lean to your handlebars, we all like that little extra give at the bottom. And it's not enough to make a tail. Some of you ladies know what I mean. It's not going to flap. It's reinforced here in the center when you unzip. You've also got more ventilation here. You close them off, you're not going to get that air through there in the wintertime, the fall, cool days when you're out looking at the leaves. This jacket is also armored. You have your elbow protection. It's not super stiff either. You can move with it, but if you hit the pavement, the asphalt, you've got some protection there. Same as the shoulders. Something we all want. And it's not bulky. The protection in this jacket is not bulky. It doesn't stand out when you have this jacket on. So you go to eat, you're in a restaurant, and it's cool. You can still leave the jacket on. You don't look like a He-Man walking in there. On the bottom of your sleeve, you have your adjustment. You got your gloves up under there, gloves out, however you need it. Keep the air from getting in. All in all, I'd give this jacket a 10 easily. Zip in for your pants if you have the zippered pants. You've got your pockets, lots of storage, and this removable quilted liner. In my opinion, this jacket's a win.